How to translate WhatsApp messages to any language. As you can see, messages translate successfully. So let's see. First, tap on three dot line. Here you can see three line. Tap on three line. Then here you can see translate option. Select translate option, agree and continue. So you can change language. As you can see, I am select one language like Hindi. Then type here message you want to write. I am typing my messages. Hi dad, how are you? Then after write your messages, here you can see translate option. Just tap on translate option. In this way message will be translated automatically. Just send it. So in this way you can translate messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.